Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are sharing part 2 where we created a vision board that we coated in resin. If you haven't already seen part 1, we recommend watching it first if you'd like to learn a little more about vision boards and how we created it. Part 1 is also quite a bit longer as we shared how we prepped the MDF board before designing and sticking our images down. In this part, we are now going to apply a top coat of resin. Once the base layer of acrylic paint was completely dry, we began the sticker process, creating the layout, then sticking everything down. We used a dry sponge to then go over the entire surface as a final press down and then applied a clear coat of varnish over the entire surface. Varnish, or even Mod Podge, can be used as a sealant to help keep everything in place. Once our sealer had dried down, we mixed up our resin. For this piece we used uresin liquid glass and mixed up about 400 ml in total of resin. Once mixed, we applied a generous amount of resin to the center of the piece, then around the edges. We wanted a fairly thick coating of resin, so 400 ml was well more than necessary, but gave it a beautiful finish. After applying the resin, we used a plastic filing blade to then distribute the resin evenly and fill any gaps that hadn't been coated in resin yet. After the surface was coated, we went around the edges with the scraper and touched up the sides also. We left the resin to sit for about 15 minutes before using our butane torch and gently running it over the resin surface. This was to burst any bubbles that hadn't already popped. Then it was time to leave the resin to cure overnight. We also had taped the underside of the MDF board to make cleanup of any resin drips so much easier. After about 2 days of curing, we flipped the board over and using a heat gun working in small sections, we softened the drips and removed the tape. As always, we'll list all of the products used in the description box below, which are all available on our website at www.uresin.com.au. We have Zip and Afterpay available with affordable shipping Australia-wide. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment below, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more weekly videos. We'll see you in the next one.